Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily. In this video, as you can see, I have this here and some clear slime that I made. And I'm actually gonna be making, just doing some ASMR and really I don't know. But this is mostly clay. It's Model Magic. And I was adding a little bit of this clear slime, which is scented apple, to the slime before, and then I was like, oh, I should make a video. And also that I have a slime that's going to be an iceberg slime over here. So yeah. Hopefully it works. I don't know. I squeezed out a lot of, but it's just slightly yellow now because I've been adding this green stuff. And it's gonna be really cool. I think I like doing this. I use the clear glue and everything. We'll set you guys right here. So what I'm doing is I'm taking this, which is mostly clay with a little bit of clear slime, because I'm going to make a clear butter slime. And I thought this was pretty, instead of just adding it in. This is still quite sticky and melted, but we're going to add it in because this clay is kind of stiff on the harder side for clay. So it will work out. So what you do is you dip it in there, and then you mix it, and it makes bubbles sometimes. But you try to get the lines in there, and then you make a swirl with it. Looking all sweet. Look at that. I don't know. I just think that's kind of cool. So I'm gonna do. But it's satisfying when you do it, because it's satisfying for me to play with, because it's and trying to get it with still green lines in there and then swirl it. It's just fun. So I don't know about you guys, but I'm gonna dip a whole side in there. There we go. And you just mix it in to get it spread throughout. Then I'm gonna drizzle it this time. Look at how cute. I'm gonna roll it all in it now. Now I have a huge side of it. It's so fun to mix in because it's really sticky. And also, 4th of July is on Thursday. So, happy early 4th of July. I stayed home today. I'm really tired because I actually got to go to the lake where my friend Campbell, she's on my YouTube channel, her grandparents have a house by Lake Oakwood in Brookings, and we got to go tubing, swimming all the time. I got burnt. It was fun. So yeah, I'm really tired from that, but I do not think I will be able to post on Thursday, which is 4th of July, because nobody is gonna be able to be on the YouTube channel. but maybe I can film one time like some fireworks going off. Just like film it from my iPad without like anybody knowing that I'm posting it on my YouTube channel. Because a lot of my family members don't even know that I have a YouTube channel. So like maybe I can film a couple fireworks going off. But that's all you'll like probably get. I might show you before everybody starts setting up what is all set up and everything. And that will be part 1, and then do a part, or like how everything's set up. Hopefully it's not raining because it's just thunderstorming today. And then, yeah, we'll see. And then I'll probably make a video of fireworks. I don't really know. Look at how melted that is. But it's actually working out quite well. I thought this wasn't even enough clay, but it's actually like maybe even too much clay. Because this is pretty much still just clay. And I think we're getting fireworks today. I wish I could take you along, but I don't think you're allowed to film in there, which sucks. And it'd be awkward just holding the iPad, because that's what I'm filming. So we're taking all of it now. Really, really sticky. This is so satisfying and cute, so I'm going to be quiet now. Yeah, this is a lot of clay, but I barely even added like a lot. But this is actually working out because the clay is stiff. So if you're going to use Model Magic clay, this is the kind I'm using, just Model Magic Crayola. Then I'd recommend not fully activating the slime, keeping it pretty melted. What I did was, like, I should have showed you, but I could take a spoon and I could mix it and it would come off the sides, but it was just really sticky. So, like, pretty melted, but not fully melted, but not fully activated. So just keep it sticky where you can't really play with it. Where you can't play with it by itself. That's what you want. I can't really explain, but, like, have it be activated enough to like mix it enough to get off the sides when you're taking a spoon. If that makes any sense, probably not, but yeah, just don't fully activate it if you're going to use this clay, because it is still a little bit stiff even after using such under-activated clear slime. So yeah, it's really nice though, like a lime green color, pretty stretchy. Maybe I'll add some more clear glue. I'll do some ASMR after. Cleaning up the bowl. There we go. And I think I said this, but it's scented apple. some lines over here. Slime that I cannot. Okay, there we go. There we go. Yeah, here's some ASMR. Sorry about the side angle. I just didn't want to set up my setup.
I mean, if we get pizza ranch, will you eat chicken from there? Would you? Because you're the only one that wants cheese pizza, and I don't want to.
I'll eat chicken.
You'll eat the chicken?
I'll eat the chicken.
Awesome, thanks.
Yep. Yeah, we get pizza ranch, and I want some chicken, and I get some. I love chicken. And I think, from what I remember, their chicken is good. Yeah, you heard it. I only like cheese pizza. Well, I like breakfast pizza too. It's like the best. And I kind of like pineapple pizza. But yeah, cheese is my fave. But definitely, I'm so excited for chicken. I've been wanting chicken for forever. My dad is on a no carbs diet, I think. So he has to eat a bunch of stuff like that. So yeah. He's been cooking a lot of steak lately. Look at those lines. The thing I love clay signs for is because the lines. It makes they make the best swirls. Like, look. At that beauty. This is definitely more of a thick and dense slime, which I love. It's a love-hate type thing, so I think I'm going to add some clear slime because it is a workout to play with this slime. Ugh. So let's do that. I'll make a little hole to get it ready. And then I have to put you up here. Excuse me, that was not a toot if you're thinking that was my foot slipping on the thing. It does that all the time if you ever have watched my videos. But here, this is. Okay. I'm making the pot. And then let's pour some of this in. I'd actually recommend adding lotion in if you don't want to do the sticky slime method. I definitely recommend doing lotion in the clay. I'd recommend, this is vitiligo if you were wondering those white spots, but I would definitely recommend putting lotion in the clay. So yeah. Okay. Here we go. It's in the middle. And we're gonna take it, stretch it, fold it, take it, fold it. Sorry, I wish I had an upfront view. Maybe I can hold it for this. Take it, push it. Oh, that feels so cool. It's like squishy, but not sticky. Oh no, it's slipping out the side. Guys. It keeps making bubbles because where the clear slime is, this actual like clay and clear slime won't stick to it, so it comes up and it makes bubbles. My hand is covered clear slime. But I think it's working. I need to see you guys. Guys, not sponsored. I'm just shouting out. Why did I even say not sponsored? But guess what? I watched just Samira slime YouTube channel. She has so much slime. She's so spoiled. But she actually made an app, Slimatory. Like, you can create your own Slimatory. It is so much fun. It is free. You should definitely go check it out. So just go to the App Store, type in Slimatory, and press get, and then you can play it. It guides you in what to do at first, and then you can do it, and I have so much fun. There's like a bunch of different mixers that you can do. Like, there's like white glue, and then there's like foam beads and shaving foam. But the only thing that is not my favorite about it, which is like only this one thing, once you get to like the level 7, you can get this the flow machine and flow mixer, because you have to get a flow machine and a different mixer for every like different ingredient you get. And like you have a workshop where it's just you get all your machines to make like the glue and the shaving foam and like the foam beads. You can make them in that place. And then there's another shop right beside it, which is already like set up, and then you can just like just buy with the coins you get on there, like the fake coins. You can buy like tables and everything, and then there's this like electronic thing, and then that's where you sell it, and then it's just really fun. So I definitely go recommend checking that out. Oh, and I totally forgot to say what I didn't like about it was like once you get to the flow mixing machine and everything, it takes 1 hour to download, and I guess it would be boring if it just took 1 minute for everything, but like 45 minutes at the max, guys. Like an hour to do it is kind of ridiculous. But yeah, it's not really something I don't like about it. It's just something I think like some people might like that. I don't know. It's just, personally, I think it should be a little bit shorter, but not too much, because then it would be just, I don't know. So it definitely helped soften it up and everything. So I think, but it's still like stiff because the clay. So if you don't like thicker, denser, stiffer type of clay slimes, I would recommend like Daiso clay or like air dry instead of Model Magic. But Model Magic can also be stretchy. So I can't really judge it. It's just my opinion. I love this clay though. That's the only reason that I have it. So I personally love it. It's fine. And I like trying the challenge of fixing it and making it softer. But what I think I'm gonna do now is lotion. Adding a lot because it needs a lot, guys. I'll pick it up. I just didn't want it in the... I'll pick it up, I just didn't want it in the view. And don't comment about me, but just trashing my room. It's not. Yes, this is definitely helping, guys. Look at that. Stretch. Yeah, so lotion works. And if you don't have any unscented, just pure white unscented, lotions, which I love, because then it doesn't mess up the scent or the color, which I love. But look at how good this slime is. Then I definitely recommend getting this. Equate Beauty. This. Fragrance free. See, and it's white. Obviously. But yeah. So I love this lotion, and it works so good in this. Like, and I bet it would work good on your body too. But it works super good in slime, so I definitely recommend getting that. This is always going to be like a thicker, denser, rippier texture. But like, it's way better. Look at it. It's like totally stretching. The color is amazing. Look at that stretch. My arm keeps getting in the way. I'll try not to get it in the way, but yeah. Overall, the slime is absolutely phenomenally amazing. And I did not make a video on this iceberg slime, but I'll show you it real quick. Because I didn't think I was gonna do an iceberg. I just thought I was gonna do a clear foam. Then I decided to do an iceberg slime, which is actually my first time. And then I didn't film it, so I'll make another one. But I squeezed, like, it's deflated, so it might not even work. But like, it's such a good fluffy jiggly slime. It's jiggly because of all the shaving cream, but look at that. It's also kind of clear, which is insane because I used clear glue, but then I used shaving foam, which is definitely not clear. So pretty sweet. Hopefully it'll still work as an iceberg. Maybe I should add some more shaving cream, because I want this to work. Make a hole. Look at all that shaving cream. Shouldn't have added that much, but it's just so fun. You can't like stop. So, oh my, I just got myself into a mess. But it smells and it feels amazing. I already added some more in before, and it didn't even work, so I don't know. But I'll just put it right in that glass bowl this glass bowl, and let it sit there for 2 days, which will be on Wednesday, the day before 4th of July. So that will work out perfectly. And yeah, it's the hardest part is definitely waiting. I cannot stop thinking about how hard it's going to be to wait. But this definitely made it fluffier. So that was a success, but now I have to clean up this counter. Woo-hoo. So hard not to squeeze out the bubbles because they sound so amazing. So, but I can't do it. So, goodness, the shaving cream, the shaving cream ever gonna come off? know it's hard sometimes. I totally zone out and forget that I'm filming. It was torture today. I did this for fun, but I went down to the horses and I tried to spray some fly spray on them and brush them, and it was so dusty and like, I don't know, down there, that when I got back up to the house, I was like, could not breathe good. I was like running back and forth from tissues to spitting in the sink to like almost puking. It was horrible. But so let's start letting this iceberg sit in here and hopefully it works. I don't know if it will, but I saw this girl like Cheekox do a slime thing, and at the end, well, she put like lotion in, which I already did, and baby powder, but I didn't do baby powder. They were both optional, but I chose to do one of them to make it stretchier, but not the baby powder, because I don't even know if we have any of that. And then she also said that just makes it matte, and I wanted it to stay glossy, but at the end she put it some more in and just kind of spread it around at the top, and like barely mixed it in, but she did mix it in. So that's what I'm going to be doing. So now we wait for this to become an iceberg slime and harden up. Which, if you didn't know what an iceberg slime is, the top just hardens when you, and the key ingredient is shaving foam. So yeah, I tried this with clear glue, just experimenting, and I don't know if it's gonna work. It's actually my first one. But yeah. There we go. So that is the final product. We are going to let it sit. And yeah. So I'm just gonna, I just sprayed the tiniest amount of shaving foam in there again, just to kind of spread on the top. I don't know if it's gonna work or not, so like, wait until I update you if you wanna see if the clear glue with shaving foam works, and spraying a little bit of just a little dot on there, how that works. Or you can just try it if you wanna do it with me. So yeah. There we go. That is seriously perfect. Other than it's on my hand, so I need to get that off. There we go. See, so I just spreaded a light layer of it on, and yeah. So that's what I did for my iceberg slime and my green butter slime I'm gonna play with when I'm done with this video. So thanks so much for watching. I'd appreciate if you thumbs up this video and subscribe. Make me feel happy to see that we're going to subscribers. We're almost at 30, or are we at 30? I don't know. I've been gone this whole weekend without Wi-Fi, so I haven't been able to check, and I'm just getting back to you guys. So I will see you. But yeah, thanks for watching. Peace. No, this hand.